Stop ignoring your cat's weird symptoms. These 5 diseases can be deadly. Here's what every cat lover should watch out for. Number 5, chronic kidney disease. Super common in older cats and sneaky until it's almost too late. 4, feline leukemia virus. It attacks their immune system and spreads easily between cats. 3, feline infectious peritonitis or FIP. Almost always fatal and hard to diagnose. 2, heartworm disease. Mosquitoes spread it, and by the time you see symptoms, it's often advanced. And number 1, cancer. It's the leading cause of death in older cats, but early detection can save lives. Don't wait. If your cat seems off, see a vet ASAP. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more vital pet tips.